Welcome to the exciting world of AI side hustles. It's 2024 and technology is creating incredible opportunities to make extra income. Whether you are a tech enthusiast or a professional looking to diversify your earnings, AI offers a range of side hustles that are both profitable and engaging. Let's dive into the 9 best AI side hustles you can start today to boost your income. Let's get started. Freelance AI programming. Freelance AI programming involves creating custom AI solutions for clients across various industries. This could include developing machine learning models, building AI powered applications, or implementing data analysis tools. Freelancers may work on diverse projects such as predictive analytics for marketing, automation tools for businesses, or even personalized recommendation systems for e-commerce platforms. The demand for skilled AI programmers is high, as businesses increasingly seek to integrate AI to improve efficiency and decision-making processes. Earnings can range from $50 to $150 per month, depending on the complexity of the project and the freelancer's expertise. AI content creation. AI content creation uses advanced AI tools like GPT-4 to generate written content. This can include articles, blog posts, product descriptions, and social media posts. AI tools can produce high quality content quickly, making it a valuable service for businesses that need regular and substantial content updates. Freelancers can offer services to combine AI generated content with human editing to ensure quality and coherence. Rates can vary, but content creators can earn anywhere from $25 to $100 or more per piece, depending on the length and the complexity of the content. AI powered consulting. AI powered consulting involves providing strategic advices to businesses on how to implement artificial intelligence technologies effectively. Consultants assess a company's needs, recommend suitable AI solutions, and help with integration and optimization. This might involve advising on data infrastructure, selecting appropriate AI tools, or designing custom AI systems. Consultants need a deep understanding of AI technologies and their applications in various industries. This role can be highly lucrative, with potential earnings ranging from $75 to $200 or more per hour, reflecting the high value of expert guidance in the rapidly evolving AI landscape. AI tutoring and education. AI tutoring and education encompass teaching individuals or groups about AI and machine learning concepts. This can be done through creating online courses, offering one-on-one tutoring sessions, or conducting workshops and webinars. Tutors need to be proficient in AI technologies and capable of explaining complex concepts in an understandable way. This field is growing as more people seek to gain skills in AI to enhance their careers. Tutors can earn $30 to $100 or more per hour, depending on their expertise and the demand for the service. Automated trading bots. Automated trading bots use AI algorithms to analyze market data and execute trades in stock markets for cryptocurrencies. These bots can operate at high speeds and manage trades without human intervention, potentially increasing profitability. Developing a successful trading bot requires strong knowledge of financial markets, AI programming, and risk management. While potential earnings can be very high, this field also carries significant risks, and profits can vary widely depending on market conditions and the effectiveness of the bot. AI art and design. AI art and design involve using AI algorithms to create digital artwork, designs, or NFTs. Artists can use AI tools to generate unique pieces of art, which can be then sold online. This field is expanding as digital art and NFTs gain popularity, providing a new revenue stream for artists. Earnings can range from $50 to $500 per verse, depending on the artist's reputation and the uniqueness of the artwork. Selling AI generated art can be a profitable venture, especially for those who can combine their artistic skills with the AI technology. Voiceover and speech synthesis. Voiceover and speech synthesis involve using AI tools to provide voiceover services for various media, such as videos, audiobooks, and advertisements. AI can generate realistic and high quality voiceovers, reducing the need for human voice actors. This service is valuable for content creators who need quick and cost effective voiceovers. Freelancers can offer personalized voiceover services, potentially earning $25 to $100 or more per project, depending on the length and the complexity of the work. Data labeling and annotations. Data labeling and annotation are essential tasks in training AI models. This involves tagging data with relevant labels to help AI algorithms learn from the data accurately. Freelancers can offer their services to companies that need large datasets annotated for machine learning projects. This work is often repetitive but necessary for the development of effective AI models. Data annotators can earn up to $10 to $30 or more per hour, with the opportunities to work on diverse projects across various industries. AI based development. AI based app development involves creating applications that leverage AI technologies to provide advanced features and functionalities. This could include apps for healthcare, finance, education, or entertainment. Developers need a strong background in AI and software development to build and market these apps effectively. Successful AI apps can generate significant revenue through sales, subscriptions, or advertisements. The potential earnings in this field vary widely but can be highly lucrative, especially for innovative and well executed applications. There you have it, fellow hustlers. The 9 AI side hustles that can help you make money in 2024. These opportunities not only offer financial rewards but also allow you to stay ahead in the fast evolving tech landscape. So why wait? Start exploring these AI side hustles today and take the first step towards a more prosperous and innovative future. Until next time, stay connected and stay motivated. Thanks.